Pompano Beach, Florida. Two women approach a home in the early hours of the morning. Houston, Texas. A man appears to drive up and steal somebody's trash can. I guess he needed it more than them.
I'm not Boomer and none of these people.
No, I told him especially.
I've been doing this shit since 11.
No, man.
10.
That's a wow.
10. Since 11. My mother.
You mean a year ago? I'm just kidding.
Hold on, let me see it. Hold on. I might look out for you too. Hold on.
Yes, you're the best.
Hold on. Let me see it. Let me see how much money I got.
Because you got it, so you...
Hold on. Watch out for the fact, because I got a gun there.
I look that way and you do the other way.
Oh, yeah, I could do it. You owe me two. No, you don't owe me for that. Oh, sweetheart.
Yes, sweetheart.
You might be hit.
Yeah?
Because I only got one left.
No.
Unless you do hard rock.
Yes, I do.
Oh, alright, take this.
Okay.
Alright, let me get the heart. Oh, I'm doing this shit on camera, you know?
I'm right there.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment to see more content coming to this channel soon.
Anytime.
I told you reason, because I don't like, I like in the morning, sometimes, you know, like a boiler starts at 12. So I don't, you start at what time?
Yeah, auntie, sometimes.